Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about PPPoE server and PPPoE client. Okay, we already know how to provide internet using static IP as well as how to provide internet using DHCP IP. Today we are going to talk about how to provide internet using dialer, so that we need create PPPoE server. So how we can create PPPoE server? First of all, we need configure PPPoE server, right? Then when I'm going to provide internet someone, that time I must select a IP for the user, right? So we can create IP pool. Then when we are going to internet someone, that means there is a bandwidth speed, right? How much bandwidth he or she will get. So that we need to create profile. Then create a dialer for the user who are going to use our internet, right? Then finally the client will check he can connect or not. Okay, let's first of all try how to create a server. So first of all, we need to enable PPPoE server. So that we are going to log in our MikroTik router, then go to the triple P, then there is a PPPoE server. Then click plus, then you should select bridge because our LAN interface added in bridge. Okay, so we are going to select bridge, then apply. Okay. Then we need to create a pool. So go to the IP, then there is a pool, then click plus, then you can write PPPoE users. Then if you think their IP address will be 192.168.100.168.100.150, just keep it here, then go. Okay, 100 to 150, right? Pool also created. Then create a profile. Go to the triple P, there is a profile, just click plus, then go to the general. Now we are thinking PPPoE user going to get 2 MB, so that we should provide here our LAN IP, LAN gateway 100.1. Then the pool, you should select PPPoE user. Then go to the limit, there is a RxTX, so that 2M dash 2M, upload 2 MB, download 2 MB. Then you should create a secret, just go to the secret, then give the name, just I'm giving example name, just Johnny 1 2 3 4 5 6, his password is 1 to 6, and select service PPPoE. Then select profile, we are planning giving him actually 2 MB, then we should select local address or remote address. It's not mandatory, but if you want to give him a specific IP, then you can select from here 192.168.100. We are thinking he will get 100 to 100. Then our local address 192.168.100.1 our gateway. Apply. Okay. Then you can also go to the interface, there is the PPPoE server binding, just click apply. Okay, it's not mandatory, but you can create it. Okay, our server tasks done. So we can check from our client PC. So let's go to our client PC network setting. Then you can create a dialer, set up a new connection, connect to the internet. Next, set up a new connection. Anyway, there is a broadband PPPoE, just select here and give the name Johnny and the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just click here, connect. Yes, it seems internet is ready to use, then close. If we check more details, go to the adapter setting. There is broadband connection, and you can go to the status. You can check details. There is 100.100. So our PPPoE server configured done, as well as PPPoE client configured done. Thank you for watching.